Welcome back, everybody. Right now, I am talking with Charity McGill, who is the CEO of Deepwater Software, and in the 1 Million Cup Spotlight this week. It's great to see you.
Hi.
Hi. Now, first, we want to talk about what Deepwater Software is.
So Deepwater Software is a company that builds products for convenience store owner-operators. And what we do is we take this document scanner and we make it easier for them to manage their suppliers by sending mobile alerts when the cost of their products go up or down.
All right, so this is a scanner. Now, do you want to show me how this works?
Yeah, so what they'll do is after they sign up online, they'll get this in the mail from us, and they'll plug it in, connect it to Wi-Fi, and then just send their invoices through like that.
And it's that fast.
Yeah.
Now, how is this going to help the regular person?
Okay, so for a regular person, you have to remember with a convenience store owner, they get about 1,500 or more products that they manage every single time through their supplier. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the data off that invoice and we're going to scrub it and clean it up, and we're going to make a bunch of reports out of it. So we have a section of reports I think that we have available for them to see.
Oh, okay,
so
there we go.
Yeah, so here's a mobile alert. So they're going to get these alerts. They can click on any one of those alerts, and then we'll get the next set of things where they can see, hey, when did I buy this product? How did it change? And what was the range that I paid for it? And so that's their next one. And then after that, they can go in and get a category. So we'll take every item on there, put it in the custom categories for their resellers. And then if we'll flip to the next one, they can also see an industry standard-based view of their products as well. So that's the National Association of Convenience Stores. And they can get a category summary from that. And this is our favorite from the accountants. They have a tendency to like to see all those pieces of information divided up they're supposed to be.
Right, but now how much time would this take the average person? And I'm sure that's why you created this, right? To save time?
It is. So for the average convenience store owner, it's about 8 to 10 hours a week spent going through their invoices and suppliers. Either they're doing data entry into a back office application, which we can send this data to an inventory system, or they're just looking at them manually as they have time.
And then they don't have time to do the other things that they need to do, right?
Exactly, which is quite a bit. So a lot of times they'll dismiss this process altogether.
Right, or they could hire someone to do it.
They could, but they're still looking at, $10 an hour, minimum wage.
That's right.
All those
and
kind
so,
of things.
what is the name of this product?
We call her Connie.
Connie, and is she like a virtual employee?
Yeah, she's a virtual assistant. Just like you would pay somebody else to do it, we do the work for you. So we really like her.
And you would have to really look at those receipts to find out some of that information that you're going to get here.
Yeah, you really have to pay attention. And Connie just does this digitally. And this is Connie you're seeing on the screen.
This is Connie. Isn't she cute?
She
I
is
like her.
Cute. Yeah, she was developed by a group called Dymark and then was enhanced and created by a group here in Springfield called Mighty Sharp.
Okay, now would this software work for businesses or inventory like restaurants and that sort of thing?
Yeah, this will work for restaurants. We are working with some new restaurants, so we're looking for some betas for those guys. It works just a little bit different for them. They don't change their prices as often, and so we're looking to expand into that category and deal with some new restaurants if we can do that.
And how is your company benefiting?
Our company? The relationship that we have, first, I am a C-store owner myself, and so I really benefit quite a bit by just having this alongside
This
my
was your
business.
idea. Let's just tell them that. And it came out of just not having enough time for well, my goodness, we've got family.
Yeah,
we've
I have
got
4
work
kids.
and 4 kids, and you just were like, I can't handle all this.
No, I couldn't. And I talked with about 100 or so more other C-store owners who just really, the paperwork is enormous. So they're swimming in deep water.
And that would be my least favorite part.
Yeah, it is. It's their least favorite part. They really like to work with their customers. They like to deal with the products that are on their shelves, finding new things to sell.
Right.
This is really not the fun stuff.
What about companies that have inventory? How can that help them?
So for companies like larger chains that might have a back office, we can take the data that's off of this invoice and we can update the inventory system directly. So we'll scrub it, enhance it, add a UPC, change the prices and quantities to match what they need to be to go in directly into the inventory.
Okay, so this is available through your website?
Yes, it's available online.
Online. And then you have different programs for different people's needs. Is that correct?
That's right. We'll have 2 programs. One is for a convenience store owner that doesn't have a back office application.
Right.
And the second one is for larger stores or people who do have a price book manager or back office application.
All right, that's great. Now, give them your website information so they can go and
You
get a hold of
can
you.
sign up online at www.deepwatersoftware.com.
All right, that sounds good. This might be something that could give you some more time in your life, and who doesn't need that, right?
Absolutely.
All right, Charity McGill with Deepwater Software, we appreciate you being here. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
All right, up next, what to do when a neighbor is dumping trash on your property. Speaking Legal with Will Worsham when we come back.